Hello RSTV fans, I'm Rishi.
I'm Satvik. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam.
Yeah.
Right now only 14 gates are open.
It's pretty windy today actually.
Yeah, that's because of the water like flying towards the air and all the air is blowing everywhere.
Yeah. As we are here just to make you feel hyped about this video, we are going to tell about the specs of the dam. Well, it is 125 meters tall. The building of this was a souvenir for Jawaharlal Nehru and Ishwar Chandra. It started at 1955 till 1967. 12 years of building has hyped up this dam, and that's why we call it as the biggest dam in India, technically the world, but not actually. So yeah, actual height of the dam, it is 179 or 180 meters till the depth of the water. It's 125 meters tall as we can see, and it can hold up to 12 million cubic meters of water, obviously, and it can help irrigate 10 lakh of land. 10 lakh acres of land.
So this in the video this may seem smaller, but this is so big. When you come here yourself, you can see this is massive. This dam, I was behind the dam. It's holding so much water that I can barely believe the dam is holding it.
Well,
and
it kind of looks like a lake also.
Yeah, a reservoir. I'm still not believing this is handmade. The people from 1950, when they started it, they all started making it handmade.
Yeah.
They all were working together to make this dam. That's why it's humongous and strong.
As you can see at that side, they have built a bridge so that the view of the dam would look more spectacular. You can see.
There is actually one bridge here that collapsed because of the pressure and force of the wind.
Yeah, and that too, it's built with the Krishna River for the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
So now are we in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh right now?
I think
yeah,
we're in Andhra Pradesh.
So yeah, we will go check out the dam sooner, and we definitely recommend you to try all of these foods they have been provided here. It's almost at every single side of the dam. See, lemonades, corn, bhajis.
All of these, when all the gates are open, the wind is going to blow like crazy. Now only 14 gates are open.
So the wind purpose is because of the dam's waterfall?
Yes, you can see all the mist, all the water flowing. It is blowing so much wind everywhere.
Wow, I can't believe it. Huh. Well, you can see here also the hydro power point is there. Hopefully, that may be the old one, but the new one they have built somewhere else.
If this was the purpose for electricity, it could generate for like almost a whole year just on this source.
Yeah, speaking of electricity, there are 8 units. You can see there are 8 units from this waterfall. Actually, 14 gates are open, 6 are closed still out of 26. In those gates, 8 of them are generating power.
So that is a new added technology in this.
Well, yeah, there is a lot to talk about this. It's actually very, very windy. I have unexpected to be this windy. Yeah, Satvik?
Yeah.
Well, actually, we'll go ahead and look at the dam more closer.
Yeah.
So yeah,
see you there.
Yeah, see you there.
Okay, so now we are at the boating point. This is the launch station. You can see there's a little rocket sign, the way to boating. So here is also the electric powerhouse where they collect all the electricity that's coming from the dam. So let's go along here. We have to get our tickets. Otherwise we're gonna miss this boating.
We delayed this actually
Yeah.
twice because of some technical difficulties.
Yeah, we missed the boating twice. So now one boat is gone. So it's I think now at 11:30. Yeah, there's another boat there. You have to go get on that boat. First we have to claim our tickets.
This is the NS Sagar handicrafts toy place. If you guys want to buy a few things, you can buy it here. This is the right wing of the dam. This is in the right side of the wing. We are not at the left.
Yeah.
You can see there. We can see the truck filled there.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one lorry.
Here is where you'll get the tickets.
Come on, this is the ticket stand. Go and get our tickets. Oh my god, the line is huge. There's our parents. It's a very big line.
Here is where you'll book the tickets. Here is where you'll book the tickets for adults 200 and for children about less than 10 years will be for 150 rupees only.
But why for foreigners 305?
It's not for boat, for archaeological study.
Okay. That's a QR code. Don't scan that.
I will scan it.
You'll scan it?
Yes.
Okay, so we got the tickets for the boat. We have 2 or 4. So we're gonna head to the boat now. We're just getting our supplies before we go because we do. This is 1 hour long, so we have to get our water and then our snacks. We have chips, so we're technically all set.
Well, we know that there is the museum. Here also we have booked the tickets for museum.
Yeah. So this museum is actually pretty famous. I've seen myself in YouTube reviews that this place is amazing. I can't wait to see it. So first we're gonna complete the boat ride, then we're gonna come here.
One boat is leaving.
Oh yeah.
That's the other boat we missed that time.
Yeah, that's the boat we missed. And then again, I think there are 2 boats. Yeah, there's one there.
Let's show around this place. One ticket counter there. Museum entry there. Mom here. And this is the east side of the dam. Oh yeah. Okay guys, as the boat is taking time, but actually the boat came, we have to go immediately. So now we are going to see the boating unit museum.
So let's go inside. This is a launch station. Not seen this place before. We've seen it from there. Like as we were entering to get our tickets, we've seen this place. So it's time to go inside. That security camera is massive. Okay. So this
Is a masterpiece.
look at that. That is the tourist facilities. Incredible India. Houseboat, Jimmy, Anantagiri Hills Resort.
Let's go this side. Wow. Okay, so I can recognize these pictures. These pictures are for the construction of the dam.
This is just so much value. Take a look at that. That is every single person working together to build this dam.
It's man-made, no machine-made.
That's why it's humongous and strong. It's holding all of this water. That's what. All of these sticks, everyone are preparing by themselves.
So, here Jawaharlal Nehru and Ishwar Chandra, they were the people, and the people, they have contributed them this dam.
Yeah, and this is after the dam is done. There were still black and white pictures and they created such a nice dam.
1967.
Yeah.
1955 to 1967.
They wouldn't know that this dam would cultivate so many crops in the future.
Yeah, let's see the view.
Let's take a look. Okay, so that's the boat.
Obviously, they have instructed here the boating will be down. Shopping
So here's
will
the
be
boat.
straight, but the shopping is closed. Okay, let's see some more pictures. Look at this chandelier. Chandelier looks amazing, yaar. Okay, here are some few tourist facilities that Andhra Pradesh tourism made. That time we have went to Surya Lanka beach. Well, let's see this. Brem Park, Vijayawada. Rushikonda Beach Resort. Harita Hotel. In Sri Sailam. This is Harita Resort in Kadapa. This is a jungle camp in Taida. Harita Highway Resort in Kupang. Harita Hotel in Nellore. Bora Caves. We have went to Bora Caves.
Yeah, we went to Bora Caves. Our first viral video, 100 views, I guess.
Very good. Coconut Country Resorts in Delhi. I can hear the boat. Actually, we have to go quickly.
Oh yeah, those are the boats. We can see them. Come, we have to go.
Chamitsiri. We have to go. Come on.
We have to go.
Boarding time.
Boarding time. Okay, so this is the boating ticket counter. We've gotten our tickets. Oh, there's my mom. Hey, okay. So this is the boating place. Huh?
Okay, looks like the boat is open now. We have to go quickly. Okay. So, see you in the boat, guys. Wow. Okay guys, so now we are entering the boat. The security has scanned our tickets.
We're boarding the boat.
Yes. Come on.
The boat.
We can't see it here.
Come on.
Okay, it's been a long time since we entered a boat other than Papikondalu.
Yeah, Papikondalu was fun. Tunge. Charla to there.
Be careful, don't fall.
We're on the sport thing. Now we have to get on the boats.
Whoa.
So, I don't know if we'll
Rose holding with your legs for your dear life.
Huh?
You are holding with your legs for your dear life. Where should we go now?
Where will we view the dam from here?
Can't see it yet. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Come.
Come on, my.
This may, I think so. This is the boat we'll enter, or we'll go in that.
Yeah, this is just like
This is the big boat. The big boat. The boat is. Whoa.
This is just like Papikondalur.
We remember how we went in Papikondalur.
Yeah. Careful, Rishi, with the GoPro. Yeah. We can fall here, Rishi, careful. So, we entered the boat very dangerously. So, we have to go, I guess, downward. So let's go.
So many people here. Let's go down. Okay, technical difficulties. We'll record again once we are comfortable. We wore our life jackets for safety purposes. Now we are going to go to an island called.
I have no idea what that island is.
Nagarjuna Konda. Nagarjuna Konda. All of these people. The dam is there.
Return time
1:30 return time. Oh my god. Oh, that was mesmerizing. Let's get out of this boat. Okay. Finally out. Come on, Satvik. Nagarjuna Konda Island.
Oh,
Let's go. Come on.
it was a long ride.
1 hour ride. We have to return at 1:30 here. Back to the boat. Okay, first we will see these long stairways.
Oh, Chase, let's go. I feel so tired of standing. Oh my god, they all are full.
Look at the nature.
I'm so tired of standing, man. I'm tired of standing.
Satvik, mic is on. They can hear.
I know.
I'm not going to cut anything.
Oh my god, I need a bench to sit on. I'm so tired.
Shh. Amma, recording. Wow.
Da. अच्छा पाहिजे नाही पाहिजे प्लेटफॉर्म
Ballal better.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a wall literally made of stone. So many tourists here. You guys should come for sure.
HK एक जगह.
Wow. I am just gonna sit here.
Apple. Oh, that's a red apple. That's a red apple.
Amma, we will go. They will come later. I saw. There's so many insects here. Where are they coming? From the trees, I think. Which way should we go? The right leads to the view of the river. The left leads to a place where you guys like a lot. Look at these flowers. Let's go take a closer look. Wow.
ఆలోచనలు వచ్చి ఉంటాయి కదా.
Here you can wash your hands and legs. Continuous flow of water. There is some temple is there. We can go later. Because I mentioned something. Okay, so this is the museum that me and Satvik were talking about. Satvik wants to sit so badly. Again, plucking flowers, leaves, climbing on trees, and making plants are strictly prohibited. Wow. That's the reason why dustbins are everywhere. Okay, let's go in the museum, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna enter the museum now.
Oh, it's connected. You didn't tell me. Okay,
switched it
ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so we are at the museum that we're talking about. There is a gigantic flag behind it. It looks so nice. Wow. Everything here relies on tickets. Okay, so
Even
this
the
is the...
environment here.
Yeah.
And the structure of the museum too.
This feels like that one park I went at Tirupati. That park had ducks in it. It was so nice. You can see the design structure of the buildings. It puts snakes, design.
So what do you expect before entering the museum?
I expect some I don't want to expect anything.
I expect some archaeological structures as I saw in Google yesterday.
And also some weapons or something. 'Cause
Yeah.
I like looking at it.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we forgot. We have to do the ticket damage.
Okay, so I have to wait.
Kids no need? Okay.
I think that
Let's
scan the
only
GoPro
people.
to shake.
Let's go enter the museum.
Let's scan the GoPro, dude. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. So this, you can see the different names. Pune. That is Andhra Pradesh. Plus Telangana. They used to be joint states, you can see. Full Andhra Pradesh. This is Andhra Pradesh, and then right beside it is Karnataka. So Telangana and
will be-
Andhra Pradesh were joined. Telangana didn't
Dam
exist.
will be somewhere there.
Yeah, somewhere here. We've traveled from this part all the way here to see the dam. So let's look at that side. Oh,
They're also selling.
there is so many things in the entrance that look interesting. Damn.
Okay, this is the island. What and all locations are there? This is the Swameda tank. We are going there.
So this is the Swastik Stupa. This is a very old structure. I can see by that. Next is the Mahastupa and the Bodh Siri Chatya. These names are hard. Okay, I just saw them. Next, Megalithic Burial. So I guess this is a burial site. Next, an archaeological museum. I think we are right here. Next is the bathing ghat. The Simhala Vihara. Next is the...
Okay, we saw this. The
Yeah.
Ashwamedha tank.
So I
Okay,
think
let's
we're
enter
going
the
there.
museum. Before we can read this if you all want to read it. Of course, it's mentioned we are not allowed to touch anything. It's a promise.
That your grandchildren and their grandchildren will someday visit this museum and sculpture gallery.
All right. We are entering the actual museum. Let's start from the left. Come on.
Oh, okay. This is a Buddha statue, that's all I know. You can scan each one of these pictures.
And know all about it.
Yeah. There's a light on the scanner. Oh wait, that's not a light. Oh, that's just a reflection. Or that is light. You can scan these if you want to know about these walls. These are specially designed. This is just like...
Tell about this, what it is just.
This is... Oh my god, I touched the wall. Shit. This is the gift of Earth. This looks very nice.
Don't touch. Okay. There are a lot of here. If you guys want to know about all of them, please do come here.
There's a TV here showing all the history.
These are all sculptures made a long time ago.
A snake diagram. We saw this outside.
Wow. Here you can see all the pictures. If you guys want to sit and check them out, where these all came from and how they got it. Let's go see those.
This place is amazing. And this AC.
Whoa.
There's so many interesting pictures and statues here. I just love this location. Let's take photos. Come on. Hi. Okay, so we've seen the first part of the museum. We're gonna see this part. Rishi, careful.
Let's see this side. Come.
Yeah, here. Wait, Rishik, come. Let's go like this way. Look cool. Yeah. I was talking about weapons. It came up. Oh, I forgot this thing. Wow.
These are all the stone weapons the monkeys were making, i.e. humans.
Wow. You can see all of them fighting against a big mammoth.
With this.
Extinct. Yeah.
Oh, they made bow and arrows also?
Yes, there were
Oh, I don't know.
archers. You
I
can
don't
see that
know they
picture.
were making bow and
You
arrows.
can see that picture. These are the different types of arrowheads.
Mini trident chisels. I can say that middle one looks like a stone piece, not a weapon.
Wow.
Why are they so small?
They're small and valuable. Really valuable.
That's a knife.
That's like one of those C-shaped skewer things you used to cut vegetables or something. What is that? That I've never seen before. Is it like a slingshot? Oh, this is a slingshot?
It's like an axe.
Wait, that's an axe. This is a slingshot.
Slingshot.
Oh no, wait.
Oh yeah, it is a slingshot.
No, wait. They're showing how they cut wood. They just stick to a piece of wood here and they're showing how they cut wood.
Yeah.
With this stone axe. Different type of axe heads they tried. Oh, these are so valuable. Have you seen these white plates, small coins? What is that? This rock has a hole in it. Oh, these are pots. Okay. All of them pots. Oh my God.
Still more handmade sculptures.
These sculptures are so nice. Rishik, we have to stop. Okay, so the staff is saying we should not record.
Oh, this one.
Oh, that is just crazy glass art.
It's not glass art, it's
I
a
think-
model, mini model.
It looks so new though. Oh, it's showing the items inside. That's gold, I think. So many beautiful items here. They were technically artists to make this much detail in their statues.
They're all clearly just art, all the way to the end.
Oh, mate! This is the Indian flag. The sound, it sounds like soup boiling and popcorn popping.
So we are right behind the museum over here. Just behind the museum, as we saw from, if you can see while traveling from the boat, you'll see this flag. Wow. Independence Day was yesterday. So windy from up there. Yo, Satvik just chilling right here.
Yeah.
Okay, we can see the view of the water also. I didn't realize that. There,
Do you know what
whatever
I'm holding?
washrooms you want to go, you can go there. I want to flag hoist that. Yes, Sathi, come on.
Yo, do you know what I'm holding?
What are you holding?
Nothing. Okay, here, glass. It's from the screen protector. Is that a sitting area of some sort?
Yeah, that is a sitting area.
Damn. So restaurant.
Yeah, the restaurant is right there. I can hear the flag. Holy. Both in Ghat. voting art of the circa 3rd century. This is a really good construction. How did they even build this? Wow. Yeah, that's the restaurant over there. Let's go over here and see. Oof, very steep steps. Be careful. Oh, they've been provided us so we can go this way. I don't go like this.
I guess yesterday was a big flag hoisting here.
Okay. So that's it. Nothing else. It's just water here. Wait, is this supposed to be black color? Guys, is this concrete? Is this stone supposed to be black color? Because when I can see here, it's actually black. You know what I mean? Black. Okay, let's get back up. I don't want to get caught by a terrorist again. Need a run. Let us go back up so we can see. Whoa, this is a good view. Okay, now I told you we started from there, we went left to the museum. Now we are going to see the viewpoint with my mom. Wow. Thank you. Please visit again. धन्यवाद. कृपया पुनः दर्शन कीजिए. Oh, here also one map is there. If you guys want to take a closer look, you please do. Let's see. Tree in the water. This looks like a gift shop almost. Maybe not, just for sure. Okay, so here is where the water comes in. Usually there's water down here, but because of monsoon, it has officially increased and taken over the land. It looks like that's the end part over there. It kind of looks like that one famous scene in which your mind goes like in confusion. This, I don't know. I'll pop it in the screen while editing. Here it is. Okay. Is this a tree? Is this a touch me not plant? Touch me not? No. Let me check. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Oh, it is not a touch me not plant. Yeah, I think so. That should be touch me not. That one. Yeah, we have to go to the boat. Let's go. What the? Now I have to come and see this. Oh, here is actually where we were supposed to enter. See. Welcome to India's first salvaged ancient remains. It's completely submerged in the water. Entrance is completely submerged. Moye moye. Let's run a bit because I don't want to miss that. Don't want to miss the boat. Boat. Oh, it's ready. We have to go. Ma, come quickly. Boat will leave without us. Ma, ye jaldi. Dhundu. Come on, run. You're going to miss the boat. I wonder what's lunch going to be. Come on. My legs are getting sore. Almost there. Almost there. Yes, I can see the light. I can see the people. I can see the stairs. I'll go this way fast. Boom. Wait, is this a boat? I didn't know this is a boat. Amma, yeah, boat is leaving. Come on, guys, let's go. Time to enter the boat again. Goodbye, island. We'll meet you next time.